Hi, this is a quick side note for the cleaning of an EGR valve, which is what we're looking at right now, on a 2019 Sprinter. And this is pretty much applicable for the Sprinters of the last decade or so. So when you're pulling this electrical connector off here, it tends to get stuck on the tab right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's right at the end of the pointer. The trick is that even if you get the light gray locker back and out of place, the lower portion here, right in here, may still stick on here, particularly if it's cold out and it won't move to try and get it up. So if you've got a very small flat-headed screwdriver, you can stick it right around here and it'll pop this little tab here up, pushing it up and getting it up and off the lip, and then it should slide out of place easily. And you may need to pull the light gray connector, which is not seen in this shot. You may need to pull it completely out in order to be able to do that. Be careful when you're pulling it out, because it will fly out very quickly and you will lose it in the engine. So anyway, that's the quick note. There's lots of other videos out there on how to clean the EGR valve, so I'm not going to cover that. Okay, good luck.